Hello, this is Parisandra Flavor. This is my bed moi. I will eat it now with my custard. Do you like what you have seen? If you like it, follow me. Come to my YouTube channel and you will see how I did it. It's very delicious, Abi. Fine. Thank you. Welcome to Parisandra Flavor. Today we are going to prepare my that you will bake in oven. You know, generally we cook my, but today I'm going to show you how to bake my so that it will benefit you. So now, before I introduce to you everything that I put out here, I want to welcome you. If you are new in this channel, you are highly welcome. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And for those of you that has been subscribed, you are highly welcome. I so much appreciate you. Thank you for being there for me. May God bless you. So let's go there. Now, this is the beans that I will use. You see, this is the blender. I have put some inside the blender with some onions and some TATASI and pepper. See the remaining TATASI that I will use in blending this. This is the onions. This is the pepper. This is the fish. I have cooked this fish and I have removed every bone in it. So now this fish is boneless. I'm going to use it to garnish the mai before baking. This is the paprika that I will use in garnishing the mai too. This is the oil, the vegetable oil that I will use. This is the salt. This is the egg that I will cooked egg that I will use to garnish the mai too. This is the condiments that I'm going to use. This one is the crayfish that I will use. And this is the water that came out from the fish that I cooked. I have put some here. I'm going to use it to blend this so that all this bone that is inside it, I will blend all of them. And this is the egg that I'm going to use in mixing the mai when I will mix it. So just follow me as I do it. Now it's time for me to blend the mai, the beans. Sorry, I have put the beans. I have put water. So now I'm going to blend it. Now, this is the final stage. I've finished blending it. So, I'll start to mixing it now. You see the color? The color is because of the TATASI. And why it's like this, the TATASI, the color is not brightening well. It's because I use red onions. Had it been I used white onions, it couldn't have been like this. The color will be brighter more. But I like that red onions. So follow me as I'm mixing it. You see, I'm using a little water to get the one that is inside the blender. And the water I'm using is warm water. I'm using warm water so that everything will not be too cold. It's because of the area we are. So now, pardon me. Now I'm mixing it. I'm going to add all this inside it, both the onions, the curry, the crayfish, and the Maggi. All of them, I'm adding it. Normally I'm supposed to blend all of them together, but I just do it like this. So now I'm going to use small water to melt the Maggi, because it's always stubborn. To melt it before putting it there, so that it will not be different. That's why I'm melting it. You know, this is my mind. If it is ordinary food, I can put it there, but this is my mind. I have to be sure that it's melted, it's dissolved very well before adding it there. So now I'm going to add the egg. This is 2 eggs that I will put in it. You need to blend it very well. You see the way I'm stirring it, so that everything will blend together. Now adding the vegetable oil. You know, no, generally we normally cook stew to do the mai, but this one I'm doing it direct. Everything is entering inside it direct, instead of doing the stew separate and be mixing. I'm doing everything together. So let's test the salt. I need small salt. Like I used to say, I don't normally like putting the salt at once. I always like putting it small, then if it is not okay, but you know, this is my mind, so I have to put the salt the way it will be okay. My and ordinary food are not the same. So I'm going to stir it again to see how it is. Just like I'll add more oil. Then I'll add small salt again. That's okay for now. Yeah, it's okay. Now I'm going to preheat my oven. I'm going to preheat my oven now. So let me show you what I will do. So this is my oven. I'm going to on it now. I'm going to put it in 200. Then put the light so that I will allow it to heat. So as it's heating, I will prepare the pan that I will use. I'm putting the small oil in it. I will make sure this thing don't come out. I will make sure that I rub the oil very well in it. You know, I'm using 2 pans. You see the way I'm doing it. Then after doing this, I'm going to put kitchen pepper inside it. See the kitchen pepper is already cut. I'm going to put it inside it so that the mai will not be direct inside the pan. I'm putting it, you see, then I'm putting this one here. This. So now, guys, see how I prepare the pan. You see, I put it like this. I put the kitchen pepper inside it so that the mai will not stick in my pan. You see the way I did it? It's fine. Now I'm going to pour the mai. I'm going to divide it into 2, pour some and leaving some for the other pan. You see what I'm doing? I'm leaving the space. You know, mai do rice, so I'm leaving a little space for it so that when it rises, everything will be okay. You see the way it is? Now follow me. See, now I'm going to design it with this egg. You see the way I'm putting it? You see what I'm doing? You see the way I designed it. Now I'm going to put the fish. You see, the fish is boneless. So I'm putting it. You see. You see. Wow. You will see how beautiful it will look when we finish. You see, I'm garnishing it. See the way it is? You like it, Abby? Just try it in your house. You will like it. Try it and your family will thank you. Your children will say, Mommy, continue doing this thing for us. Even if your children doesn't like eating my mind, with this, they will eat it. Because only me seeing the way it is will make them to eat it. You know, it's not every time that we eat our normal food. Sometimes you change. You see the way I'm putting this is the paprika that I told you that I will use in designing it. You see, to now make it to have a very fine color. You see the way I'm putting it? To give it a color, a sharp color, attractive color that will make somebody to say, I need this, I need this, I need it, I need to eat this, I need to taste this. I'm doing it as if we are doing flour. Just be watching. Be watching. You see? You see? It's like I'll still cut more for the other one. You see the way it is. Now it will go to the oven now. You see it? So now, as it is like this now, I'm going to put it in my oven. The oven that I just show you now. I'm going to put it there now. I will bake it for 30 minutes. Then I will come and see how it is. So follow me as I'm doing it. So guys, this is the second one. You see the way it is. You like it? You like what you're seeing? So now I'm going to put it in the oven so that all of them will bake at the same time. So follow me as I do it. Follow me as I do it. I'm going to open the oven and put it. Now, I'm going to allow it to bake 30 minutes before I will come and check it. So, stay tuned. But remember, subscribe if you have not subscribed and share to your family and friends. Okay? So guys, I'm going to check it. When you want to check it, you use toothpick. Look at it. You use toothpick like this to check it. So let's see. It's now more than 30 minutes. So let's see how it is. See it. Oh my goodness. Wow. You see the way it is. This is the last one I put. Let's check. You see, it remains small. If you look at the toothpick, you will see that it remains small in it to be done. So I'm going to put it back. I'm going to put it back. Then I'll check the second one. This is the first one. Wow. You see how it is? The first one is done. If you look at the stick, the toothpick, nothing is in it. It's done. But I'm going to put it more so that all of them, I will bring all of them together. So follow me as I do it. Guys, it's done. It's ready to come out. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Let's see how it is. You see? Let's check it as I told you. Nothing is remaining again. It's done. So I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to put off my cooker, my oven. I'm putting it off. Put this one off. Then I'm going to bring it out for us to see. You see? You like what you're seeing? You see? You see this one? You see the way it is? You like it, Abby? It's fine, Abby? Very fine. Don't worry. Do it in your home. Your children will like it. Those children that don't normally eat my because of the way it is, they will ask for more. When they finish eating, they will ask for more. They will say, Mommy, I want to eat more. Can you do it for me? You see it? So thank you for being there for me. Bye.